High intensity workout, week 3. For this workout, there are only 4 exercises with variations for you to remember and perform. You'll perform each exercise for 20 seconds, followed by a short rest. We then repeat the whole sequence again, completing 4 cycles of this routine. Starting with ice skaters or side jumps, you'll then go into a forward lunge on your right leg with lateral flexion. As you lunge forward on your right leg, raise your arms above your head as you lean to the left. Repeat for 20 seconds, and then we move to the left leg. We then go into a side plank static, keeping your shoulder over your elbow and your hips stacked on top of each other. Hold for 20 seconds and then swap sides. From there we go into a plank, press up, back into plank. Your right hand pushes up and your right hand goes down. Left hand up, left hand down, and repeat for 20 seconds. Then we're going back into our side jumps. This time the right hand touches the left foot and the left hand touches the right foot before going back into our lunges with lateral flexion. Again, 20 seconds on each leg, trying to keep your body as upright as possible. A side plank this time means that we drive the top knee towards the chest while maintaining the posture. Repeat for 20 seconds before we swap sides, again keeping shoulder over elbow, hips stacked on top of one another. It's then back to our plank, press up, plank before going back into another set of side jumps. This time your left hand tries to touch your left foot and your right hand tries to touch the right foot before continuing on with another set of lunges on both right leg and left leg with the lateral flexion. Your next side plank is quite tricky. Keeping the legs stacked on top of one another, try and raise the top leg as high as you can. Keeping the legs straight, keeping focused, keeping the rest of the body as still as you can before again returning to your plank, press up planks. We then go back to our jumps, this time double-footed jumps, a 2-footed takeoff with 2-footed landings, trying not to bounce in between the jumps. It's then back to our lunges with lateral flexion. For an alternative, try and do a reverse lunge with lateral flexion. Again, repeat on both legs. Our final side plank includes rotation. Starting on your right elbow, reach your left hand underneath your body in an attempt to get your chest parallel to the floor. Rotate out of this, raising your left arm high above your body. Repeat for 20 seconds and then swap sides. Finishing off with our plank, press up plank, making it more challenging by adding a press up in that press up position.